Okay, welcome back to our next lecture. So, for question number 61 we have already completed. So, start with the question number 62. The cell wall of any fungus is different from plant in heavy. Okay, here you have to eliminate the wrong options. Okay, cellulose, that is present. So, cross this also, and this is also present. And this is the unique thing found in the cell wall of fungus. Okay, with this let's proceed to the next question. Question number 63. Sleeping sickness is a parasitic disease of human and other animals. It is caused by trypanosoma. Okay, here word soma related with the sleep. Okay, all these words having different meanings that you will have to memorize. Okay, which one of the following agencies enforces the law on food security in India? Okay, in India, we are talking about in India. Okay, so you can eliminate WHO. Okay, FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, it is a UN body. So FDA, here D is for drugs. Okay, but what we are discussing about the food security, not about the drugs. Okay, so we can eliminate this option also. So we are left with the option number C, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. This is your correct answer. So let's proceed to the next slide. Dengue virus causes high fever, rashes and reduces the number of particular type of blood cells. Those blood cells are, आपने सुना होगा जब किसी को डेंगू होता है तो उसके बोलते हैं उसकी जो प्लेट्स जो हैं वो कम हो गई है. Actually the plates means platelets. Okay, so this is a type of cell which get reduced in the time of dengue. Okay, next, kidney secretes an enzymes which changes plasma protein angiotensinogen into the angiotensin. This enzyme is eliminate hydrolase. It is not. This is also not. The answer is renin. Okay. Question number 67. Red blood cell have means RBC. First of all, keep in mind RBC having no nucleus. Okay, no nucleus, no mitochondria and no endoplasmic reticulum. That is option number 1. This fact about RBC is totally different. You should memorize this, okay, by solving question related to RBC cells. Okay, according to, okay, let me tell you the color of RBC. This is red because of R. Okay, you people tell me the lifespan of RBC. This is your work to find out. Okay, according to the census 2011, the density of population in which one among the following state is lowest. First of all, let me clear about the concept of density of population. Okay, density means, take for example, it's an area. Area means length and breadth. 1 kilometer, here also 1 kilometer. So while calculating the area, we calculate area like L into B. Okay, and it is a square. The area is equals to side into side. 1 kilometer multiplied by 1 kilometer, that is equals to 1 kilometer square. Okay, the number of people living in area of 1 kilometer square is called the density of population. So in which of the following state having the lowest density? The answer is Mizoram. Okay, because of the you can say because of the area and the climatic condition, because of topography of Mizoram, it's having the lowest density of population. Okay, headquarters of World Meteorological Organization is located in, okay, like this, we also have some international organization like FAO, WHO, okay, World Bank, and our for World Bank, and under this there are so many institutions are there. Okay, so you can memorize all the places and their headquarters. For this, Washington, no. London is also not. Moscow is also not. And Geneva. Okay, your correct answer is Geneva. Okay. Okay, we have to match these columns. These are the type of industries, and here the places they are situated. Okay, petrochemical, aircraft, machine tools, cotton textile. Okay, cotton textile, if you know any one of this, you can just directly match. Okay, I know the cotton textile, so D to 1. Here D1, 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 you can cross this and this. Got it? Now you have two options, option number A and B. Okay, for this, A having 4, A having 4. Without using your mind, you can directly find out your answer from the options. That A 4 4 means A having the 4th matching. This is the correct. Now you have to find out between these two. Okay, A4, aircraft is being built in the Bangalore area. Okay, now you are left with the last one. So your coding will be 4, 3, 2 and 1. And which is the answer? Option number A is the correct answer. Okay, so the next slide. Consider the following statement pertaining to the coffee plantation in India. Coffee plantation, okay? Which is the correct statement? Need warm and moist climate with the spell of dry weather during the ripening periods. Okay. Okay. Second is rolling field having good drainage. Third is strong sunshine over hilly slopes exceeding temperature 35 degrees Celsius. Fourth is Karnataka is the leading producer in India. Yes, this is the real fact. You must be aware of this. So fourth is your correct one. Then find out fourth. Here 4 is not there. You can cross this option. Okay. 1 is there. 1 is correct. So cross this option also. Here you have to find whether option number 2 is correct or not. Okay. So rolling field having the good drainage. Yes, it is required. So this is your correct answer. Why third one is not your correct answer? Because here a particular temperature is given. It may be less, it may be more. Okay. Whenever UPSC tell you the exact data about the nature, it means it may go up and down. Okay, then you can eliminate that option. So your correct answer is option number D. These two questions, as we are discussing the previous year question paper, so we can eliminate these two questions. Okay, before that, first question, the question number 72, instead of this we can discuss the recent data, that is governor of Reserve Bank of India recently. Okay, so Shaktikant Das is a current governor of RBI. Okay, with this. Now the 73rd question is, who among the following the personality is not a governor of any Indian state? Okay, this one, because Arvind Subramaniam was our economic advisor, not the governor of any state. So your answer is option number D. Which of the following cricket team was defeated by India to shift the women's 2020 Asian Cup in 2016? So answer is Pakistan. So that's all about today's class. Thank you, and keep on watching for the next series. Thank you.